Sensibility and practicality define the 2000 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has less than 90,000 miles. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.